So we're almost through to the testing stage. There it is. And there it is, a working 6581 SID chip made in the 21st week of 1984. This too could be yours. Anyway, David Bradley here. I've been working on these machines, tinkering on these machines, learning from these machines, and fixing them, etc., 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 for about 45 years. So you can buy with confidence. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. And if you're interested in the SID chip, let me know. I will first be listing these things on KIJIJI, this thing on KIJIJI and Facebook Marketplace. Maybe eBay eventually, but